It's a great day for a drive, especially in this 2006 Chevy Silverado in white. It has gray cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and about a 5-foot box. It has a lift kit, also a CD player, as well a power driver seat, and a nice line box. It's really easy to get into this vehicle and take it out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is an 8-cylinder engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have the Bose grounded audio system, a power driver seat, and you have your lighting controls as well. There's your 4x4, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. This vehicle's been lifted. I'm just going to hop in here and give you a better view of the inside. We're just going to shut the door, and on the face of the steering wheel is your source to program, as well as hands-free dialing. You have your gas cap and the lane keeping, your information, as well as your volume. So when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and it just charges up here, or starts up I should say. And then in the center we have our radio with the power here and the tuner. With your information, you have AM, FM, as well as a CD player. Your fans down below, dual temperature, and the location of where you're sending the air here, as well as your defrost, and there's your AC. You have a cigarette lighter and a 12-volt little cubby here, a little cubby down below. Lots of room to put things, your cup holder, and you also have a place, just a shallow place to put things. Both driver and passenger have armrests, and that's really handy. And as well, you have the release just on the side here for your armrest, and it opens up, and then you have more room down below. Off to the side is your glove compartment. There's also a handle in the front dash area here, and as well you have an auto dimming rear view mirror. Your lighting controls are up top, and you also have a little cubby here, and then off to the side is your grab handle. 3-inch wheels, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap, and in the back your tailgate has a black handle. You also have a trailer hitch, and then when you want to get into that box, simply lift the handle and bring down your tailgate. It's nicely lined with the Duraliner, and you also have some tie downs there. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Door, as well as power windows. There's also grab handles up top and seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You easily bring the seat out of the seated position by pulling it out. That just gives you more room on the floor, and then just pop it back into the regular seated position. In the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders, all-weather mats on the floor, and some pockets on the back of the front seat. You have some air vents there and some controls for headsets. Down below, a couple of cup holders. Up top, lighting, grab handle on the driver's side, and in the rear, access to a big window with rear defrost. Black and chrome bumper, about a 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.